there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using the painted glass to make this sympathy card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And I have a piece of gray granite, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to use the Garden Trellis embossing folder. Make sure it's straight. And run that through. And that's all that we're using the Big Shot for. And I have the Share What You Love embellishment kit. And I'm going to come in with our Memento Tuxedo black ink. And with the painted glass, we are going to be using With Deepest Sympathy. And I have that mounted on clear block C. Let's just make sure it's good and inked up. And I'm going to put it right here in the center, just like that. And put that to the side. And next I have the black cord. And I'm just going to place a piece of tape on the side here, on the back. And I'm going to run that around about 3 times. And then I'll tack that down with another piece of tape. And then cut off the excess. Now our card base is basic black, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And I'm going to put this down with some SNAIL adhesive. So just like that. Then I'm going to take our sentiment, pop that out, and I'm going to come in with some dimensionals, and I'm going to place the dimensionals between here rather than putting it on the back, just so I know that there's enough room where it's going to lie flat. Alright, so just like that. And then I have the faceted dots, and I'm just going to get my paper piercer, and I'm going to pick up the black ones, and I'm going to put these on the ends, just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple sympathy card. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!